Alright, so I'm recording this video right now to show you how to replace the oil sending unit on your 94 Bronco F350, F150, whatever. Now, that has the 5.8. Well, the 5.8 may be a little different, but the 5.0, they should be the same, but you know, they might be different. You get a 1 1/16 socket, a 6-inch extension, and on the 5.0, it fits like so. And then, if you need leverage, I like to have another extension because you never know how far you'll need to reach. And just a 15/16 deep well socket. Piece of the harness. Moving it. The other way is to go from underneath, and let me tell you, it is very undesirable, to say the least. Okay, so light. Maybe I need light. Okay, get it started. And then you just screw it in.